Temporary Bypass feature. In this tutorial, you will learn how to temporarily bypass the programmed floor temperature without affecting the existing programmed schedule. Press the Mode button until the clock icon appears at the bottom of the screen. This indicates that you are in program mode. Select the desired temporary bypass temperature by pressing the up or down buttons. The clock icon will begin to flash, indicating that you are temporarily bypassing the program mode. Please note, the floor will remain at this new temperature for the next 2 hours. To cancel the temporary bypass and return to the program mode, press the Mode button until the clock icon stops flashing.